How to remove a saved project in AI Sonic. If you have been using the AI Sonic application and wondering on how to remove the saved project that you have did before, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the AI Sonic application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, here you can find record option at the bottom right here. Select it. Now here you can find save projects right here. Now to remove them, simply tap onto one, just like this. Now to remove it, simply tap onto delete button at the top right corner. Select it. Then here you can find do you want to delete this article. Now tap onto yes. And now you can see it has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can remove a saved project in AI Sonic. Now do the same process for others to remove as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.